So today we're taking this blank piece of paper and we're turning it into Elio. Eyes and pretty much where his nose is gonna go. Then we could draw where his cheeks are and his mouth, and he's gonna have a big beautiful smile, so we're gonna draw a big curve. So what we're gonna do again is I'm gonna make the same curve here. So I'm gonna make a curve just like that, and then this one came out a little bit wider than this, so we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And then I'm gonna make one curve to connect the bottom, which is where his chin is. So there we have his head. And next thing we could do is draw the details of his face. So what we're gonna do is he has longish hair and he has a little bit of like bangs. So what we could do is we could start with that. And what I'm gonna do is come down in the middle, and I'm just gonna go a little bit to the left actually, and I'm gonna make a diagonal line to the right, and then I'm gonna make one to the left. And then from there we could draw his hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another diagonal line, leaving a little bit of space. And I'm gonna make one curved line to connect this. So that's like part of his bangs. And I'm gonna do the same thing again. So I'm gonna leave a tiny space here, and I'm gonna make a diagonal line. And I'm just gonna make a curve to the side of his head. Then we're gonna do the hair on this side. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a diagonal now going to the right instead of the left. And I'm gonna come over, make a diagonal, and then make a line. Leave a little bit of space, make that same diagonal, come over, make another diagonal, horizontal line, and one more. So I'm gonna make a diagonal. This time I'm gonna just make a little curve and then a horizontal line. So that's his hair. And then from there, we could do his eyebrows. So right under that are his eyebrows. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come from the middle, and then I'm gonna come over and I'm gonna make something that looks like the letter C. That kind of looks like the letter C. And then same thing, I'm gonna come down from the middle, come over, and then make the C the opposite way. So for his eyebrows, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one curved line that goes down. I'm gonna make a backward C, and then I'm gonna start off skinny or closer, and then I'm just gonna go a little bit wider. So here we're going skinny, and then I'm just gonna get wider as I get to this point. There you have one eyebrow, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So there we have his eyebrows. And then the next thing we could do is draw his eyes. So I don't wanna give away too much from the movie, but he has an eye patch. Something happened to his eye. So on the right side, we're gonna draw an eye patch, and then on the left side, we're just gonna draw his eyeball. So we could start with his eyeball. So right under his eye, I'm gonna make a medium-sized circle. And then the details of his eyes is I'm gonna draw another circle in the middle that's smaller. Actually, we could do his eyelid first. So for his eyelid, it's gonna be one curved line that looks like a rainbow connecting the two sides. So I'm just gonna make a curved line like this. So that's like his eyelid. And then we could draw his eye, which is the circle I said. Just a smaller circle in the middle. Then we could draw his eyeball, and then his eyeball is a smaller circle in this circle. So there we have his eye. Now we're gonna draw his eye patch. His eye patch, we're gonna draw like a square. So what I'm gonna do is right under his eyebrow, just like we did the eye, I'm gonna make one horizontal line. So I'm gonna make a horizontal line. And then the end of this horizontal line, I'm gonna make curves. It's not gonna be a completely solid square, it's like just curved ends. So I'm gonna make a curve coming down so we can make the vertical line, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then we're gonna make two vertical lines coming down. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. And then we could curve the bottoms just like we curved these. So I'm gonna curve them. And then we'll just draw one horizontal line to connect it to finish the square. So there we have his eye patch. It looks super cool. And we just have a few more things to do. We have his nose, his mouth, his ears, and the details of his helmet. It's gonna be super fun. So for his nose, I'm gonna come down in the middle of his head, of his helmet, and I'm gonna draw a little point, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of space. I'm gonna come down, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw something that looks like the letter U that's attached to this point. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna make a U just like this. That's like the middle part of his nose. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a curve that looks like a hill, just like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then I'm gonna make a curve that looks like the letter C, like this. And then I'm gonna make a backward C on this side. And there we have his nose. Hopefully that was easy. And then we could do his big smile. So Elio's super happy. So basically he's a space ranger and he's the coolest kid. And he finds some alien friends, and I don't want to give away too much, but it's super cool. He's super brave, and he always has a smile on his face, no matter what he's going through. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a big curve like a smiley face, and I'm gonna do it right under his eye and then right under this box. So I'm gonna make a point, just so I know, and then right under his eye, and we're just gonna make a curve for his smile. So that's the top of his smile. And then what we're gonna do is, just like we curved his eyebrow, we're gonna curve to get to the bottom of his mouth. So I'm gonna make a curve that looks like a hook from here. So I'm gonna make a curve just like this. Kind of looks like a hook this way. And we're gonna make a hook this way. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a big curve just like this one to connect his mouth. So there we have his big smile, and then we could draw the details of his teeth. I'm gonna switch my pen real quick just because I wanna draw his lip, and his lip is super thin. So what I'm gonna do is, not all the way at the corner, I'm just gonna come somewhere here and then somewhere here. I'm just gonna draw a curve like his smiley face, but it's gonna be a really thin line. So that's the top of his lip, and we're just gonna color that in like a pink or a red, or whatever color you guys pick. But I'm gonna do the same thing for his bottom lip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come somewhere here, make a point, and like somewhere here, make a point, and I'm gonna make this same curve. So there we have his top and his bottom lip. It's like a super thin line, but we could also make a little detail in his eyeball. So in this corner, I'm just gonna draw a little circle, and that's why this pen will work better because it's thinner, but that's just a little detail as well. Like a little sparkle in his eye. Now we could draw his teeth. So for his teeth, I'm gonna make two little diagonal lines that's gonna look like this, and this kind of looks like a triangle, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that here as well, and it's not gonna be too far apart. So here's one, and I'll do the other one, just like that. And then we could draw his teeth. So I'm gonna come over. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw one vertical line just like this. And to connect this line, I'm gonna make a curved line, but it's not too much of a curve. There we have one tooth. And then we could do his next tooth. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curve this line and left some space. And then I'm just gonna make one curved line to connect from here to here. There we have two teeth, and I'm gonna draw one more tooth back here, and it's just gonna be shorter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one curved line connecting to his top of his mouth. That's the side. Teeth, we're gonna draw the same thing, just upside down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a vertical line, coming up, a vertical line here. I left some space in between and just one horizontal line to connect his teeth. That's one tooth. Amazing. This one's gonna be a little shorter, so horizontal, then vertical like that. And then I'm gonna draw the rest of his teeth. Draw his ears. So for his ears, I'm gonna come from this point, I'm just gonna come up a little higher, and I'm gonna make one curve that stops somewhere right here on his cheek. So I'm gonna come here and here, and I can make my points on this side as well. So I'll make a point right here, and then I'll come across, and I'll make a point right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a big loop that connects to the point. There we have one ear, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. There we have his two ears, and the details of his ears, we're gonna draw half of a heart. So I'm gonna make, as if I was making a heart, I'm gonna do one half of a heart, leaving a little bit of space from the top. So I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna make a curve that comes up and back down as if I was making a heart. And it kind of looks like a hook or a hill. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this ear. And then we're gonna do the same thing, just a little bit smaller on the inside. So that same half heart. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna make something that looks like a heart, like half of a heart. I'm gonna do the same thing on this ear. And then those are his ears. And then what we could do is I could finish doing his hair. So he has hair that comes from the side of his face. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a curved line that connects here. So a little bit from his head, I'm gonna make a curve just like this. That's his hair, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then to finish his helmet, a detail, I'm gonna make a curve, a loop or a curve connecting to his hair from this point. So I'm gonna go like this to his hair, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So his helmet is actually a strainer, like when you cook or when you clean fruit. So he's very creative, and he made it. His helmet is used to communicate with aliens, guys. It's super cool. But for his helmet, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the handles of the strainer, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a big loop, just like this loop, and it's like the letter U on its side, or just like a loop. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come up the helmet, I'm gonna make a little point, and then I'm gonna come up more, and I'm gonna make a point, and from here I'm just gonna make a loop that goes down and connects here. So here's my loop. There's one loop, and then I'm gonna make that same loop on the inside. Just then this top part that we made for his helmet, we're gonna copy it right on top, just leaving a little bit of space. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm just gonna make that same curve. And I'm just gonna turn my paper because it helps me. So there we have that detail, and that was the cool part. All the little wires that he gets that makes him or allows him to communicate with aliens, we're gonna draw all of that. So it's gonna be super cool. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make a curved line, but not a big one. So what I'm gonna do is, it's gonna be a curved line, and it can be on its side, it could be straight, however you guys want. I'm gonna turn my paper a little bit. I'm just gonna make a little curve like this. It's not a big one, but it's there. And then from this curved line, I'm gonna make two vertical lines. So I made a curved line, two vertical lines. Then inside of this, what I'm gonna make is, I'm gonna make an oval on its side. So right here, I'm gonna make an oval. And I'm sure you guys know what Saturn looks like. So just like how Saturn has a ring, we're gonna make this have a ring. So I'm gonna make a loop that goes around and connects here that looks like a ring, like off of Saturn. Just like that, just little details. And then what we could do is, I'm gonna draw a wire, the wire that comes out of his helmet. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a line that comes out past his helmet. I'm gonna draw a line like this, and it doesn't have to be straight. You could curve it, you can make it straight, however you want. And I'm just gonna copy this same line. Okay, and then what we could do is we can make two curved lines to close this off. So I'm gonna make a curved line here to connect to this point, And I'm gonna do the same thing here. So that's one part. And then we're gonna just draw a few more. So I'm gonna draw one this way, this way, this way. So you guys could do it however you want. You can make all of them straight, upside down. Use your imagination. I know it's gonna come out beautiful. Not look cool already? Oh, I love it. Okay, so like I said, his helmet is a strainer. So strainers have little holes so the water gets through it. Boring stuff. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the holes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna draw circles. So here's one circle. And the way the strainer works, I'll show you. I'm gonna draw a few more circles and I'll explain it. So the strainer, the holes are in a circle like a diamond or like a square, however you look at it, but like a diamond. So I'm just gonna try to copy that pattern throughout the whole helmet, and you guys could do however you want. Just like I said with these little cool little gadgets, you could do it however you want. And all right guys, there we have all the little holes. I think it looks so cool. And the last and the coolest part too is the wires. So we could loop these wires however we want. We can make them straight, we can make them super loopy. That's gonna be fun. So only thing is, there's two sides of the wire, so you have to follow it through the same way. If you make the loop, you gotta follow that second line with the loop. But have fun with it. Use your imagination, get creative. This is all supposed to be fun. So there we have Elio. Wow. I think he looks super cool. I hope you guys found it fun. This was probably my favorite drawing ever. He is the best Earth Space Ranger anyone could ever have. Really fun. So guys, grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's get creative, let's get fun. And there we have Elio. I think it came out super cool. This was my favorite drawing so far. It's super fun. You know, I did different colors on his wires. I did different shading because the holes are inside and this part is inside. So I did like a darker gray. I did some on his ears, just like little details that I did. But hopefully you guys found it easy and hopefully you guys found it fun. That's the most important part. I know you guys did great. Please check out my other videos. We did Glorden, which was also super fun and colorful. So please stay tuned, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.